In this video, you will learn where to place seasonal leg kits and quick connects when adding Sundecks or making slips. You should have already watched the leg kit and quick connect assembly videos before continuing further with this video. If you haven't watched them yet, do so now and return to this video. This will complement other detailed information provided in FLOE's written assembly instructions and owner's manual. Before getting started, it is important to have a dock system layout. Our Design-A-Dock tool is ideal to help you lay out and visualize the dock system prior to assembly and installation. In order to do the assembly, you will need the following tools. Sundecks can be placed parallel or perpendicular to the main dock section. If parallel, the leg kits are placed in the pockets on the long edge of the section. Slips and perpendicular configured Sundecks are placed on the short end. Before adding Sundecks or slip sections, you will need to install quick connects. The length of the Sunddeck section will determine how far apart the quick connects will be placed. In this example, you can see how Sundecks and slips link together with quick connects. Additional sections can then be added by spreading the quick connects out as far as possible. For adding wedges or other accessories, please refer to the instructions included with the product. Thank you for choosing FLOE. Please consult your local dealer if you need additional assistance.